Zippers are usually the first thing to break on a suitcase. They jam, they split, and honestly, they are way too easy for thieves to pop open. That's why I decided to hunt down the best zipperless suitcases. I bought the top 5 models, from aluminum frames to latch lock systems, and dragged them around to see which ones actually stay shut and roll smooth. Here is what I found. Product number 1, Level 8 Zipperless Checked Luggage. First, I grabbed the Level 8 checked luggage. Immediately, the aluminum frame felt substantial in my hands. It doesn't have that cheap flex you get with standard bags. I really like the sleek industrial look. It feels like it can take a beating on the carousel. Opening it up is satisfying. You just flip the 2 TSA latches and you're in. No fumbling with a stuck zipper when you're in a rush. Inside, the dry-wet separation pocket was a lifesaver during my testing. I threw some damp swim trunks in there and they stayed completely isolated from my clean shirts. The corner rivets definitely add peace of mind against rough baggage handlers. It rolls smooth and the handle feels solid. If you want something that looks premium and keeps your wet stuff separate, this is a solid choice. It feels like a tank but still looks stylish. Product number 2, Hank Multifunctional Checked Luggage. Then there's the Hank Multifunctional Trunk. This one is huge. When I stood it up, the first thing I noticed was the unique front opening design. Instead of splitting the bag in half like a clamshell and taking up the whole floor, the lid just pops open effortlessly. It saved me so much space in a tiny hotel room. It uses a hybrid design with a heavy-duty seal, but the way it opens feels like a classic trunk. The depth is incredible. I could fit bulky boots in here that wouldn't fit in the others. The wheels are whisper quiet even when I tested them on rough cobblestone. The internal dividers are adjustable, which kept my stuff from shifting around. If you're a heavy packer or going on a long family trip and need deep storage without the hassle of a traditional split case, this trunk style is the way to go. Product number 3, Hotway Hardside Checked Luggage. Next, I tested the Hotway 24-inch model. The moment I grabbed it, the leather-wrapped handle stood out immediately. It sounds like a small detail, but when you're dragging 50 pounds of gear, that soft grip makes a huge difference compared to hard plastic. This is a true zipperless bag with a solid aluminum frame, yet it felt surprisingly light for its size, only about 9 pounds. The shell is 100% polycarbonate, so when I pushed on it, it had just enough give to absorb impact without cracking. The latch system is snappy and quick. I got through security way faster since I didn't have to unzip the whole bag. The wheels are stable and it glided easily across the terminal floor. If you want a lightweight checked bag that adds a touch of luxury with that leather grip, this is a fantastic option. Product number 4, Hank Top Opening Carry-On. For a carry-on option, I tried this smaller Hank Top opening model. This design is genius. Because the handle is wide and sits on the outer edges, the inside is completely flat, no annoying bars poking into your back clothes. I managed to pack about 13% more stuff just because of that flat interior. The top opening meant I could grab my laptop or jacket while the bag was standing upright. I loved this feature for airport queues. I didn't have to lay the bag down on the dirty floor to get my electronics out. The aluminum frame is rigid and zipperless, snapping shut with a reassuring click. It feels bulletproof. If you travel for business and need to access your bag on the go without spilling everything, or you just want to maximize packing space, you need this one. Product number 5, LugX Aluminum Frame Carry-On. Finally, I checked out the LugX Carry-On. The build quality here feels serious, especially with those aluminum corner guards that protect it from getting smashed in the overhead bin. But the real star here is the wheels. They have built-in springs acting like a suspension system for your luggage. When I rolled this over rough pavement, it was shockingly smooth and didn't vibrate my arm off. The one-button opening is super fast, literally one click and the latch releases. It's a 100% PC shell, so it's tough but resilient. I also appreciated the dual-side pressing lock. It prevents the bag from popping open accidentally if it gets bumped. If you do a lot of walking with your bag and hate that rattling vibration, or you just want the quickest access possible, the LugX is the winner. Honestly, once you ditch the zipper, it's hard to go back. No more snags and way better security for your stuff. I've listed links to all 5 of these down in the description so you can grab the one that fits your travel style. Thanks for watching and safe travels.